Projecting your screen in Microsoft Teams is a useful way to share presentations, documents, or any other content with meeting participants. Here's how to do it. Start or join a meeting. Open Microsoft Teams. Launch the Teams application and either start a new meeting or join an existing one. Access the share screen option. Meeting controls. Once in the meeting, locate the control bar, usually at the bottom of the screen. Look for the share icon, which looks like a square with an arrow pointing upwards. Choose what to share. Select screen or window. Click the share icon. You'll be presented with options to share your entire screen, a specific window, or a PowerPoint presentation. Choose the option that best suits your needs. Screen. Share your entire desktop. This shows everything on your screen, including notifications and other windows. Window. Share a specific application window. This keeps other windows hidden from participants. PowerPoint. Share a PowerPoint presentation directly, allowing you to control slides from within Teams. Share your selection. Confirm and share. After selecting, click Share to start projecting. Participants will see your chosen content in real time. Stop sharing and sharing. To stop sharing, click the Stop Sharing button on the control bar.